You know, I love some of these established neighborhoods in the west side of Calgary, and Strathcona is definitely on the top of my list. But this is one of those houses you got to pay attention to some of the things that you may not notice to the naked eye right away. For example, there's a metal roof here, highest quality roof you can find, acrylic stucco. You got new windows. These are just some of the features as you come to this house I want you to pay attention to. Now let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside the home. When you walk into this split level, you'll notice right away they've made some changes to this main floor and they've opened it right up, which I think is great. There's lots of natural light flowing from the backyard to the front yard. Beautiful hardwood floor has been put in. You've got crown moldings all the way around. They took out the old stipple ceiling. They put in California knockdown, added all the pot lights. Now this kitchen, yes, it's the original cabinets, but they could be easily changed out or painted. You got plenty of room here to put an island. This could be the perfect main floor that you've been looking for. Well, it's not often when you go to a split level, you see 4 bedrooms on the top floor, but this home has it. And they extended the hardwood into all the rooms, which I really like. This makes a perfect family home if you've got kids. One of the things I love about these split levels is the third level, because you've got big windows. This one you can actually walk out to the backyard, but this is a perfect space because you've got plenty of room for an office. You've got this nice fireplace here, lots of room for furniture, and there's even a 2-piece bathroom on this level. Now we're on the 4th level, and this level is fantastic. You don't often see what you see here. Lots of options here. You got a good-sized bedroom and a massive walk-in closet that you could have for storage, or if you got a teenager living at home, they're gonna love it down here. Then you step onto this bathroom. They just renovated this bathroom not too long ago. It's absolutely beautiful. I think if you had guests staying here, they might not want to leave. Well, you know, this time of year, the backyards are always important to us, and this backyard is great. It's private. We're standing on a composite deck. This deck will last you 30 years. And the homeowner just recently did poured concrete all the way around the side of the house as well, which I think is another added feature that I like. Really like this backyard. You'll love it too. All right, let's just give this home a summary. We're located in Strathcona, one of the more mature neighborhoods on the west side, so easy access to downtown, having mature trees, private yard, and you got a fully finished 4-level split with lots of quality workmanship that's been done here, open concept, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, main floor, open concept, 3rd level, fireplace, 4th level, having an office. Everything you want for a family home, it's here.